to All About. Today we're going to take a look at another Copic marker and how you might blend it. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry sketch Copic markers, the ink refill, and the nib replacements. Thank you for joining us. As you can imagine, violet is one of my favorite colors. That's why we call the website, the store, Violeta Ink, which is violet in Spanish. So today we're doing V99 and then V95, and at the end is going to be V93. We're underpainting with C6. This is going to give it a little bit of a cool undertone, but because it's violet, you can still use it for botanicals, for clothes, for, of course, flowers. This is the bonus combination. I wanted to add some pink. Pink and violet, those are my favorite colors. Sorry, Amy. It's V99, RV95, and RV93. It's a, it's not going to be a magenta kind of pink. This is a muted pink. RV93, that's what it's going to give you. This is the Prismacolor pencil match, PC1078. It's black cherry. I would use this one for pretty much all the colors that you see here. V99, V95, V93, RV95, and maybe RV93. The tone of all this is very similar, and the black cherry is going to, depending on how many layers you use, is going to give you all the range. We're starting the wings with V99. This is not underpainted. V95, and we're going to end it with V93. You can still see the flicks. Because we start with V99 all the way to V93 is a big difference. So you will be able to see some of these flicks. We're underpainting the bottom wings, which is with C6, V99, V95, and we're ending it with V93. This is V99 for the bonus combination. And here you're going to be able to see more of the pinkish kind of color. This is RV95. The red violet, of course, is going to match with the violet. And we ended with RV93. We're underpainting with C6, V99, RV95, and RV93. V99 on the staining test is not going to move. I tried it a few times and that's not going to happen. I wonder when we're going to find one that actually does move. This is all about V99. The natural family combination that we used is V99, V95, and V93. We're underpainting with C6, and our bonus combination is V99, RV95, and RV93. Now next week is Christmas, and we're not going to have a video on Friday, but don't worry, we're coming back on the 1st, January the 1st, and I will see you then. Happy holidays. Bye.